How to fix TeaOnHer app connection error. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you wanna do is to head over to the App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for the application TeaOnHer. Now move into this app. So instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In this case, simply tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of your device and then head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. Search for the application TeaOnHer and then move into it. Let's say this is your application TeaOnHer. Click on Offload App and then once again tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.